Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is someone here again doing the another review video is Zena. Okay, so this time the digital names, they are just bringing their another product which name is Zena, which is going to be launched tomorrow on June 25th at 11 a.m. EST. Okay, so basically what is the Zena is all about. So the Zena is the traffic generation tool, okay, which will just shows you that how we can just get the high quality traffic from the Facebook. Okay, so in this video I will be showing you the my sales page, the members area for Zena, and then plus I'll be showing you the custom made bonuses, which the bonuses which I especially have created long time because I just want to be give you the high quality with high value bonuses. Okay, so then just stay with me and let's go first to the members area. So as you can see here right now, you're in the members area for Sena. Okay, so as I told you, this is launched by the Digital Names, and this is here another product. So this is a members area. On the left hand side, it's all for the tabs to access you, and here the first video is welcome to Zena, and here they're just giving you the welcome. Here is a Paula Marie, Kafayat, and Nanda. And okay, so basically they're just telling you that China is all about their digital business in a box. Okay, so in the next there is an introduction. They're just talking about why Facebook is a powerful way to communicate and how you can make a Facebook account for your business. Okay, so here they have just given you explained all step by step training. Okay, which they have made very simple and very effective. Then the next video is about Facebook profile setup step by step. Going to the next training, Zena traffic software setup. Okay, so here they all talks about in the first video giving you the introduction what Zena is, then how to install on Apple, Mac, how to install on Windows, then how to use Zena for maximum impact. Okay, how to use Zena for manual option to select the groups, and here you can just click here to download Zena. So in the next video training, they just talks about the Cha-Ching baby. Okay, so the name is funny. So here they just talk in this video, Kafayat is talks about that how you can make it rain cash. So rain cash, what does that mean? There, that about how you can know the right time to like deliver your stuff. So then at least you get the more attention and then the more traffic, more customer, and they give you the ability to make more money. Okay, so the next video they just talks about why a balance of high and low ticket sales work best, and then the next there in this video they talks about how to set up a successful campaign. Okay, so again Kafayat explains to you to how like they usually have select or make a successful campaign by finding a great product to promote, create a Facebook post, how to drive traffic, and then lead generation. Then going to the next video training, here they just talks about the how use these done for you high converting campaign, and here the free bonus page builder was a paid bonus page builder, the difference between them. Okay, and then the next training is all about the equals result. Okay, here this is the case studies. Okay, so they have given you the case study which they have specially tested it, $160 per day case study, 100 to 200 passive income days, and these all about the all the different case studies. And then the exclusive Sina members bonuses, they hear these bonuses which they're offering you their members, those are just getting this copy of Zena. They will get this access to these all bonuses free. So for the first is how marketers can reach up to 2.14 billion audience. Okay, this will explode your profit. How to multiply your results with maximum impact, a video series how to maximize your ROI value is for 247. Next video, how to turn 45 minutes a day into 10K monthly income. Get revealing videos layout, path fortunate others have taken. And then the next video bonus is for how to make 337 per day, loophole never seen before. Okay, so then these are the Gabriel Chakram, and these are the upsells which I'll just show you there the later on. Okay, so then this was the Zena, and then going back to this is the sales page which I'll come back to this one. So as you can see here, this is a sales page pop up with there's a you're getting $3 discounts on top of. I'll just show you the front end, the how much cost. Then you will get the $3 discounts on top of if you will add Zena 3 off. Okay, so now I want to show you the custom made bonuses, which my custom made bonuses which are specially created for you, and especially my bonuses is very concurrent with the product Zena, and this will help you to gain more boost your traffic from the Facebook, and it gives you so more ways how you can get more traffic and you can monetize it. Okay, so the bonus number one which I'm offering you, access how to explode your traffic with the Facebook. Okay, so as this is the self-explanatory by itself, and then the next bonus which I'm offering you, it is access the Facebook monetization strategies. Okay, this is also it's self-explanatory. And then the bonus number three which I'm offering you, this is the atomic done for you. So basically what is this atomic done for you? So atomic done for you, it was the Jono Armstrong's and Brandon Mears product which they have launched last year. So atomic done for you, it includes a done for you solution to get started with affiliate marketing. Okay, so this is atomic done for you. It is very good and wonderful things for those are the new affiliate, those are like starting their affiliate marketing, because inside the atomic done for you, you will get the 50 assets done for you. Those will generate you to the traffic. Okay, so which are the traffic tools, sorry. And with that, you don't need any domain, no hosting, no autoresponder. You don't need any tool. Everything is done inside this atomic done for you tools. Okay, so which is very incredible. Either you can use this 50 different tools to as give a lead magnet away, or you can just use for your own for monetization. Okay, which is absolutely great. And then the next bonus number four, which is the 10 local SEO hacks which you probably didn't know. And then the bonus number five, the Access Polaris Pro. So this is the Polaris Pro, is also the Joe Armstrong's product which he launched last year. So this is also software. Okay, so this software Polaris Pro, which will create squeeze page and thank you page for you. Okay, basically when you will create the squeeze page will help you to cache the email address, and that this way you can just build your email list, right? So basically this Polaris Pro, when it will squeeze the make catch the sorry email list, then it will send automatically the thank you page also. Okay, because this software is specialty, it makes the squeeze page and thank you page, and then plus it automatically add the affiliate offer. Okay, so this affiliate offer is basically the all the ClickBank offers. Okay, so and this way it will help you to build the email list. So in nutshell, Polaris will make the squeeze page and thank you page, and it automatically add the affiliate offer from your sites to the thank you page. So then this way when the buyer will just enter their email address, and then they will just have the product in front of them. So okay, so here you don't have to be do anything. So this is all the Polaris Pro will do all the heavy work for you. And the next bonus number six, it is the hack 2000 copy. The next is bonus number seven, which is the all vendor bonuses. Okay, so all these vendor bonuses I'll show you in the now. So then these all my bonuses which I have just specially created for you, which are this is anytime if you want to get your copy, you can just stop here and click this tab, then this will take you to the sales page. Okay, so now let's see what is the Zena is all about. Okay, so going back to the sales page, so this is the sales page here. So as the sales page, there's a pop-up coming and giving you the $3 discount. So the front end price for this is for the $17. Okay, so but if you will take action, then it will give you the $3 discounts. only you need this coupon code here. Okay, so what is this Zena is all about? This is the software you use. You're one click away from generating hurricane of hungry buyer leads. Okay, so there is a software use loophole to piggyback on one of the world biggest websites, netting us $200 per day. Okay, so what is basically is 100% free traffic. Okay, and runs on autopilot, siphons free traffic from one of the world's largest websites. No list, no video, no paid ad, no product creation, newbie friendly, one click setup. Start getting results as early as today. And again, that cost is one time cost $17, but you will get the $3 discounts on top of. So this is some income short is here. So here is some testimonial from the customer who's used Sina, and Deepa Thoman from Australia, and Sylvia and the John Newman from Australia. Those have just used it. So again, here is the Nanda, Paula, and Kafayat. Okay, so these are the digital team just bringing very good product. Okay, so just want to show you the cool bonuses from the vendor sides. Okay, so the bonuses, there are so many information on the sales page. Just you can just go through, stop, read all, and so here, okay, here's what you will receive when you will purchase Zina. What is inside the Zina? There is a software for siphoning buyers traffic to your page. You will receive a user license which you can start using immediately to send buyer traffic. Done for you campaign to get you start immediately, and over the shoulder training is there. And then the 4 figures day case study plus VIP sport and support, and ready-made funnels to monetize your traffic, passive traffic starting today. And then the peace of mind, because this software will do all the product, all the work for you. The total value for this is almost 14,497, but in the front end you will get this all only for the $17, not only 17, plus you will get $3 discount, so then it's only $14. Okay, so again, here are the some income proof which they have shown, right? So I'm looking for the bonuses. I think the bonuses, oh yes, here. So here these are the bonuses. Okay, we have added a number of action taken bonuses. Those are joining us today. Action taken bonus number one, which is for value 197. How marketers can reach up to 2.14 billion audiences will explode your profit. Okay, so these are the same bonuses which I shown you in the members area. The bonus number two, how to multiply your result for maximum impact over the shoulder tutorial on how to maximize your ROI. Bonus 3, how to turn 45 minutes a day into 10K monthly income. Revealing video lays out the secret path fortunate others have taken. And then the next bonus is for 337 per day, loophole never seen before. Okay, so again, let me show you the prices for the Zena. So as you have seen here, this is Zena. Is going to be launched tomorrow. Again, there's 4 days, and anytime you can stop and click here to secure your copy. And again, there is have some written information about this Zena, and the front end price $17, but you will get for $14 because there is $3 off. Again, $14, and you will access the powerful Zena software training module, plus you will get the vendor bonuses which I showed you now, and the plus on top of my bonuses, which is incredible and especially is congruent with the Zena. Okay, so the upsell one, which is for $37, but you will get today in $27. So in $27, you will get the Traffic Pro Unlimited and Unleashed. So they supercharge Zena, remove all the limit, create Hurricane Unlimited free buy traffic to done for you high converting campaign and profit 10 times faster. So you will unlock the beast mode of unlimited traffic on autopilot. Plus there is a done for you high converting campaign, on there is a beautiful design pages for you, video and custom made bonuses there. And the next is the upsell 2, which is 47, but you will get 37. Then this is all about done for you profit on tap. Okay, So easily you will, with this upsell too, easily you will 100 times your results. You will improve your results with no extra efforts. Okay, and then you will get the basically you will get the optimized lead magnet, get profit on tap with our attention grabbing done for your email sequence. It's like owning a virtual ATM machine, highly converting list building lead magnet, 14-day done for you autoresponder sequence, done for you engaging professional written content for more lead generation. You're leaving money on the table without this upgrade. And upsell 3, which you will get for $47 today, and which is VIP treatment by Digital Dames. Okay, upsell number 4 is for access done for you high ticket commission, which you will get for today $97. Okay, so inside this you will get all the step-by-step training, copy and paste exact done for you campaign, which they have used to generate over 1100 per day. There's a done for you funnels, done for you evergreen webinar, done for you email follow series. Okay, and then the upsell 5, which is for you will get for $37. Okay, is basically all about the reseller, right? And here's some other key benefit which you may be interested in getting. You will get 100% free traffic, runs on autopilot, siphons free traffic from one world's largest website, which is Facebook. No list, no video, no paid ads, newbie friendly, start getting results. Okay, so again, anytime you can stop here, you can click here to secure your copy for your bonuses. Okay, and these are my incredible bonuses. If anytime you decided, or you can just click here to link here, then this will take you to the sales page. Okay, then from the sales page you can just click here to get the access, and then it will take you anytime here, anytime you can just click here, it will give you the access, right? And then yeah, that's it basically. And plus, in the nutshell, in summary, Zina app is siphoning by traffic to your page. Is this done for you campaign there, over the shoulder training, 4 figures a day case studies there, VIP support, ready-made funnels, monetize your traffic, passive traffic starting today, and there is a plus peace of mind. And plus on top of, you will get the vendor bonuses as well as my bonuses. Yeah, that is this is from the Digital Dean Zena software, which is going to be launched tomorrow. Again, that was my review for Zena. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, leave your question below in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And I'm offering a free training which is absolutely free. Okay, you don't have to pay anything. Again, the link is below in this description. Go there, grab the training. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much. Have a stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.